Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. On the continuation of my sixth lecture, today we are going to look on how about opening the existing document. You have already been working inside Excel. You have saved a document perhaps on your local computer, the network drive or wherever. So now I want to be able to open up that document and continue working with it. Well, just like saving, this is just pretty simple command, pretty straightforward. So I have an Excel open. I have got my file tab and click on the open. I'm going to go down to open just down the left hand side. We have got a few ways to open the documents. I have got a recent list that I can get into, and I have got a scroll bar there, by the help of which I can go and see the latest documents which I was working on, and I can scroll for quite a ways and find recent documents that I have been working with on this computer. And I've got the option to build the search other locations as well. So for me, I can go down to browse this and open up that same folder that we had used to save the document using save as command, but now I can go find a document on my computer. So I will go and click on this PC, documents, and here I can find the document which I have been working with. Let's say I have got to the computer document like this, and I can open it by just selecting this, and here are my customers. So this is some database file that I work with inside of my Access class as well, but it's really that simple. You want to be able to open up an existing document, just file, open. You've got your recent list on the right. Anytime you have saved anything, the recent area will populate with that document. And then you have also got the ability to search and browse other locations that you may have access to as well, like OneDrive, sites, and your computer, local computer. So you can try this out, maybe closing out completely, reopen it and go open up that document that you have saved in the prior video and just file and open. So go grab the document, see how you can open various documents we have used on in the recent videos or from other locations, whether it's a drive or the local disk. So just do this exercise and let me know in the comments if you find any difficulties in doing this. So that's all for today. In the next lecture we'll see another features on how to work more effectively and efficiently in the Microsoft Excel software. So by the time, do take care of yourself. We'll see in the next lecture.